All right, going to the phones. We got Doug Levi, Strategic Insurance, back on the show. Welcome, Doug.
Brandon, another day in Tampa Bay, and we got a big Super Bowl week this week. How exciting, man.
Hey, what a great week for Tampa Bay, and just kind of looking at what could have been pre-COVID versus past, current in COVID here. Have you heard any stats or seen anything in terms of how we monetize that or how we measure that?
Yeah, so, lots of impacts on COVID for sure. I mean, I'll always just like to share real-world stuff, right? So we kind of tied to it more to the economy than insurance specific, but we just took my family to Disney World last week. First time we did. We've got 3 kids under 7, so I was a Disney man last week, Brandon. But Disney's only at 35% capacity, due to COVID. So,
wow.
The impact is no doubt felt in lots of areas. From the insurance perspective, we've been saying for some time now, we always recommend reaching out, doing our protection reviews. People can check us out at tampabayinsurance.com. We can just make sure in general you're getting the best coverage and best price possible. The big thing that COVID has impacted a lot is contractors, manufacturers, restaurants, and the way their insurance works, Brandon, is they're charged based on their revenue or payroll. So
right.
Your revenue or payroll has been affected because of COVID. You really need to get your eyes on your insurance to make sure you're not overpaying based on, old info.
Right. Yeah, that's an important point. I mean, there's ways that you can save money and you possibly have prorated payments already made and potentially. So we're talking with Doug Levi here, Strategic Insurance, and he's talking about ways that you can do that. And then you also get a review. Doug, I really like the idea of getting a review. Our feel-good story of the day, by the way, is pretty interesting. Billionaire launches drug company to offer low-cost version of high-cost drugs. So this is Mark Cuban. He's launching a generic drug company called the Mark Cuban Cost Plus Drug Company, and basically he's looking to provide radical transparency in how we price our drugs. Can you talk a little bit about that?
Yeah, absolutely. And I know we focus so much on the show, more on the home, auto, business insurance, but we do life and health insurance as well. It's a huge area of need for people. There's no doubt insurance and prescription costs have certainly, gone up significantly. One thing I'd really want to highlight, Brandon, which we feel really blessed to be helping people with, we've got some products now by top A-rated carrier, company named Transamerica. A lot of people probably know that name out there, but they're doing guaranteed issue life insurance and disability income for people, and it's not a pared-down policy like a lot of the other ones out there. And this means regardless of your health status, as long as you're not on active disability, we've insured people who have had cancer, diabetes, heart disease, strokes, all kinds of things. So, so often we talk about the price, but insurance really offers that protection, that peace of mind. So if there's people or listeners out there and they're struggling and they would want a life insurance policy or they wish they had some disability income, and maybe for whatever reason they can't qualify medically or they traditionally haven't been able to, we've got a great solution for them.
Yeah, it's important, and there's different ways that you can look at. A lot of times people, they pull money out of their paycheck, they invest it through their company, and they call that a retirement plan. I call it a good start, but when you look at, it's such a confusing space that is when you're looking at mutual funds, stocks, annuities, disability, and then you throw the health side into that, PPO, HMO. There's all these 3-letter, it's hard to navigate, right? So a lot of times, and I've heard it said in Tony Robbins' book, Money Master the Game, that 95% of the mutual funds out there do not outperform the market. So you could invest directly into the index, but yeah, it's very a confusing space. Maybe you can help our listeners with some of that.
Yeah, we're certainly happy to. It's definitely an area of concern for a lot of people. I know, and just the numbers are that still, approximately 40 to 60% of people out there don't have health insurance at some level, and we've got solutions there as well. We've got some great short-term plan options. We've got some other plans that are part of a faith-based co-op called MediShare. So there are some solutions out there. We also help business owners with their group plans. And I think the big thing I see at times is people are either afraid to even look because they say, I can't afford it. That's too much. And sometimes they've defeated themselves before they even start, and they really don't know. And there are so many options out there. We're normally able to work with people in their budget, and I tell people we can work backwards and say, okay, well, what is your budget for what we're looking at, and how can we try to maximize benefits, right? So that's our heart, that's our philosophy. We want to make sure people are properly protected and getting the best rates they possibly can.
Yeah, we're talking with Doug Levi here, the insurance quarterback on the Consumer Quarterback Show. Strategic Insurance, he's a local business owner. We talk a lot about supporting the local economy, and we always say now more than ever, it means more to us, especially the Salem radio family, the folks that are involved with our show, the local businesses that support the show. We greatly appreciate you reaching out to our hotline. You can call or text our hotline, and you could even ask for a review if you'd like to have Doug review what you currently hold. A lot of times he's finding money. You found money out there. 813-750-0550. It's the hotline. You can call or text 813-750-0550. Call or text. And a lot of times, Doug, you're looking at these reviews of folks that have not changed their policies year over year over year. They just keep rolling it over, and they're missing some things. They're missing. It's like having holes in your boat, and you're rolling down
no doubt. Yeah, no doubt. And it's, depending on your view of insurance, we're either above or below going to the dentist, right?
Yeah, exactly.
I guess how painful your dentist is. So it's not the most fun thing to do. So what we say, put us to work for you. There's no cost working with us. We do get paid on commission by the carriers. We work with over 50 carriers. And my whole goal is building long-term relationships and having a client not just 1 year, but and our customer service platform is called Clients for Life because that's the mindset we want to adopt. We want our clients to be on board for life. So the other thing that's thrown out there, Brandon, that we've talked about before, we do our $17 Amazon gift card challenge. So we basically say, hey, for the opportunity to review your policies, whether it's your home, your auto, your business, your life, your health, really any of your insurance, we get a copy of your current coverage. We love an opportunity to see if we can get you something a little bit better or find some gaps in your insurance, and we'll give you a $17 Amazon gift card for that time. So It's kind of a fun thing to do. So.
Well, hey, Valentine's Day is right around the corner. I know that's kind of a cheap Valentine's Day present, $17.
That's right.
But anyways, it's a start, right?
Yeah. Hey, you know what? Listen, in my household, Starbucks equals love.
There you go.
Could get 3 Starbucks $5 gift cards and still have $2 left over.
There you go.
Buy them through Amazon, and now you're looking like an all-star.
That's a plan right there, I tell you. Hey, we got about a minute left. I wonder if you might want to share a little bit about your side hustling opportunity as well.
Yeah, so we just love the opportunity to open up and help more people. So we had an idea about a little over a year ago. We call it insurancesidehustling.com. People can go to that website, insurancesidehustling.com. And we show people how to get into the insurance business, selling primarily home and auto insurance. They can do it anywhere in the country. They do it remote. Our agency acts as the support system. We help with marketing. We help with training. We provide the carriers. We really teach you everything you know. And it's a great opportunity for people looking to earn some extra money.
Yeah, I love that. Especially with folks that are, they're dabbling into real estate, they're doing their other job, but then, hey, I could offer you insurance as well. I mean, what a great idea to add that second income. A lot of people got hurt with COVID. It really challenged a lot of families. Small businesses got hit particularly hard. So Doug Levi, Strategic Insurance, insurancesidehustling.com, and longtime friend of the program. Thanks a lot, Doug. We appreciate it.
Hey, go Bucks.
Go Bucks. All right, good stuff.
See ya. Bye-bye.
All right.